Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning yourself at the orchard entrance and checking your inventory for space. Take only essentials to stay mobile. Once done, switch to a low-noise movement mode so you don't scare the bits away, and move along the fence line where they spawn most often. Make sure to watch high branches and underbrush simultaneously. Apple bits hide in shadows and behind leaves. Use a short burst dash to close gaps quickly when you see glints on the ground. You now adopt a methodical sweep. Move in 10 to 15-meter arcs while scanning both ground and canopy layers. If passive scanning fails, deploy a bait or sonic lure to coax apple bits into visible range because they respond to stimuli. Once you spot a cluster, slow your pace, aim carefully, and capture with a swift net or ranged tool to prevent scattering. After each capture, mark spawn locations on your map so you can return. You finish by moving captured apple bits into a secure, cool container to avoid decay and free up inventory slots. If you ever find bits disappearing, first clear the area of predators and then reload the zone. Despawns often resolve after a reload. If spawn rates dip, change lure frequency and vary scan height. Apple bits shift between canopy layers. Finally, double-check your HUD filters and run a short test sweep before committing to a long farming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.